everyone, and welcome back to our channel. This is the second video, and in this video we'll be talking about overview of Java. Java was developed by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems in 1995. Sun Microsystem got acquired by Oracle in January 2010. Java has a concept of VORA, which means write once, run anywhere. The compiled Java code can run on all platforms that support Java without the need for recompilation. You don't need to compile again. The source code gets compiled to bytecode that can run on any system having Java runtime environment regardless of the underlying computer architecture. Talking about the history of Java, the language was initially called Oak, O-A-K, of Oak tree that stood outside Gosling's office. Later on, it got named to Green and finally to Java from Java Coffee, the coffee from Indonesia. Coming to versions of Java, however, there are various versions of Java out there, and you can see the complete list in the description. I will briefly talk about some of the popular versions. Java 8 is the most popular version as of now. Many important features like lambda expressions, method reference, optional, streams, advanced date, time, zone, and calendar classes, etc. got added into it. Talking about syntax of Java, its syntax is quite similar to as of C and C++. However, there are few changes which we'll see when we start writing programs. Coming to goals of Java, there were few goals which were taken into consideration while creating Java. It should be simple, object-oriented, and familiar. We'll talk about object-oriented principles in our upcoming videos. It must be robust and have enough security. It should be architectural neutral and portable. It must execute with high performance, and it should be interpreted, threaded, and dynamic. Coming to JVM, JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. It provides you the runtime environment where Java bytecode gets executed. It has various subsystems like class loader. Again, class loader there are three built-in class loaders, which are bootstrap class loader, extension class loader, system or application class loader. We'll talk about these in detail in upcoming videos. That's all we had for this. If you have any questions or comments, let us know via comments. Looking forward to connect with all of you.